Namaste. Myself Dr. Nadi Pachauri, Consultant Surgical Oncology, Manipal Hospital, Dwarika. As we know, surgery forms the mainstay of the treatment for most of the cancers, especially the solid organ tumors. Surgery can be performed either by an open technique or by minimally invasive approach. So there are two modalities for minimally invasive approach, either a laparoscopic technique or a robotic technique. Robot is relatively newer tool in the armamentarium of surgeons. The advantage of robot for the patient is it provides better visualization. The images formed by the robotic camera is 3D. You can perceive the depth during the surgery, which was major limitation for the laparoscopic surgeries. You can get a very magnified view, so can identify the structures, especially like nerves and the blood vessels. Second advantage of the robot is range of the movement. It can provide better range of motion, even better than human hands. Robotic arms can perform surgery in all three directions. Robotic arms can pass through very narrow spaces, so can reach the relatively inaccessible areas of open surgeries, like deep in the pelvis. And so the surgery outcome of the surgeries will be relatively better. All three qualities, like better visualization, better range of motion, as well as passes through the narrow spaces and reaching into inaccessible areas, make the robotic surgery very precise. So the precision of the robotic technique is much higher than the open surgeries, as well as compared to the laparoscopic surgeries. So how the robotic surgery is important for cancer patient? So if we consider the incision size, rather than bigger incisions, we go for a smaller incision, and especially the keyhole incisions. So the recovery time is very less, healing is much better. And this early recovery time reflects as early starting of the adjuvant treatment. So the patient can start the adjuvant treatment, whether it is radiotherapy or the chemotherapy, as earliest as possible after the surgery, which definitely reflects in longer outcome, a longer survival of the patient. Second advantage of the robotic surgery is when we work with very precise instruments, so the margins of the resection become very clean. Especially the tumors where we have very narrow margins, where even 1 mm, 2 mm margins will be like difficult to achieve. At that places, with the robotic instrument, we can get precisely negative margins. And definitely this negative margin, if we consider the long-term outcome, theoretically reflects as survival advantage. Lesser chances of recurrences, and definitely good outcome for the patient. So I personally suggest that whenever we are considering surgery for the patients, so the robotic surgery must be considered, especially for the places which are tougher to reach, especially deep into the pelvis, like genitourinary cancers, colorectal cancers. Along with that, other sites where relatively laparoscopic procedures are relatively tougher, and definitely it should be done with proper indications only. So with this message, I want to conclude that robotic surgery is equally good, and sometimes it may be like more beneficial for the cancer patients as long as surgical part is concerned. Thank you.